Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can skip puzzles on the Spider-Man Remastered game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spider-Man Remastered game on your device, and once you are inside the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings. Now within the Settings page, click on Game, and this will now show you the gameplay option where you will see the option to skip puzzles. You can choose to enable or disable this by setting it to on or off. Once you turn it on, you may just go back, and after this point on, you will always get an option within your game allowing you to skip various puzzles. You can always change this setting by turning it off by going back into the same options. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to skip the puzzles within the Spider-Man Remastered game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.